If you've seen HelloBit being promoted online and are wondering if it's the next big player in crypto or just another overhyped scheme, you're not the only one. Thousands of people are searching for answers. And the truth is more complicated than the flashy marketing suggests. On the surface, HelloBit presents itself as a global digital asset trading platform with over 40 crypto products and advanced blockchain services. But once you start peeling back the layers, serious concerns appear. The first issue is transparency. There are no details about the company's ownership, no executives listed, and no verifiable information about who is actually behind the platform, which is unusual for a business that claims to be handling large amounts of money. Beyond that, several domains linked to HelloBit have already been flagged for fraud and are hosted on Alibaba Cloud, which is often a sign of fly-by-night operations. Regulators aren't staying silent either. Spain's CNMV issued an official warning in March 2025, followed by New Zealand's FMA in April 2025, both clearly advising against engaging with the platform. And when it comes to products, what HelloBit offers doesn't seem genuine. Most of the revenue flow relies on MLM-style recruitment and hidden commissions rather than any real, sustainable financial service. The trading app itself has been described as a click-a-button Ponzi, complete with fake trading signals distributed via Telegram groups to lure people into depositing more money. What's more concerning is the connection to other collapsed projects like NTS Foundation, QTCP Coin, and Finopta, which have already been exposed as scams, leaving many investors at a loss. To top it off, investigations have uncovered ties to transnational organized crime networks operating out of Southeast Asia, which adds a whole new layer of risk for anyone thinking about putting their funds here. So while HelloBit's branding might look polished and its offers might sound tempting, the bigger picture shows multiple warning signs, regulatory red flags, and questionable connections, making it crucial for anyone considering involvement to think twice and do serious due diligence before making a decision.